This is the Zeblaze BTalk 3 GPS smartwatch, a very impressive smartwatch delivered by Zeblaze themselves. Now it's got a 1.43 inches of AMOLED screen display with max brightness up to 1000 nits. It's also got an always on display as well, so it stays always on even when you're sleeping. Right, it's got a plastic frame and stainless steel buttons, two buttons over there. Basically the one button is a rotating dial, and it's pretty nice having the Z logo also in that button itself. There is a second button below which is a dedicated button for sports mode. Now it's got a silicone strap with a plastic buckle, and it comes in two colors. Basically this is the cream version and the other is the space gray. Now looking at the back side of the smartwatch, you will see a sensor where you can track the heart rate, SpO2, stress tracking as well, and additionally it can do also sleep tracking and female cycle tracking. Now for the battery itself, it's got a 300 mAh battery lasting up to 14 days typical usage, or 25 days at standby mode, and it takes about 1.5 hours from 0 to 100 charging this watch. And you can charge it, it's got the magnetic charging base. Now this watch itself has got Bluetooth 5.2. You can connect it to Android phone and iOS system as well. It's got 60+ sports mode, and it's also have a GPS integrated in the smartwatch, so it can track your running or whether you're cycling. And you can also use the watch for Bluetooth phone calls, and there are many bunch of other basic apps like the calculator and so on. Now the last thing, which a major feature that it should have, is the waterproof. When I looked into the bunch of notes mentioned, it wrote that the level of water resistance is not permanent and it may deteriorate over time. So basically it's not waterproof resistant, so it's better stay away from that. Yeah, and this watch costs about $30. If you guys are interested into purchasing this watch, link in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and catch you guys in the next video.